How to start a parking lot striping business in 2024. Before we get started, in this parking lot striping video, I want to give a shout out to the 3 newest members of the All-Pro Parking Lot Striping course. We have Kyle out in Little Rock, Arkansas. We have Caden in Branson, Missouri, and also Joe in Linville, North Carolina. And most importantly, I am very proud of one of my outstanding students that topped over 7 figures in 2023, one of our VIP students to the All-Pro Parking Lot Striping course. We are going to have him on the YouTube channel here coming up in the next few weeks. So make sure you like and subscribe to hear his story, how he made net gross over $1 million in 2023 in his second year of parking lot striping.
After mentoring and instructing a few dozen parking lot striping businesses in 2023, I come away with some fundamental basics for starting a parking lot striping business for optimal success. Number 1, choosing the correct business name for your parking lot striping business. This is very, very important. You always want the terminology of parking lot striping in the business name. For example, if I'm starting a business in Dallas, Texas for parking lot striping, I would name my business Dallas Parking Lot Striping. Another example, let's say you're starting a business in the Panhandle of Florida. You can call your business Panhandle Parking Lot Striping. Keep it sweet and simple. This is very important for the terminology for Google search engine to pick up on your website. Number 2 that a lot of people overlook is getting the proper training, whether you're going to do an apprenticeship under another company in your area or purchase our training on our website. The proper training is very important. You can end your career on your first job. I've seen this happen before where guys get the equipment, they get out there and they start striping and they mess everything up and it's all over with before it gets started. So please, please, please do yourself a favor and get the proper training. If you're interested in my training, you can visit my website, BillyDavidsonVIP.com. Also, there's a promotional code right now that can save you hundreds of dollars. The coupon code is Billy499 for a limited time only. For this purchase, you will get over 14 hours of exclusive video training and access to me and Apex for mentorship as you grow your parking lot striping business. And just please be careful on who trains you. There's some guys out there that's been in this business for 6 months. And look, more power to them. But I've been doing this for over 30 years. And I know this business like the back of my hand. I know what will make you succeed. I also know what will make you fail. Make sure you get the proper training from the right people.
Number 3, choosing the right equipment. There's basically 2 types of equipment out there that we recommend. As you see here in this video, we're using the Titan 3500. Also, we do recommend the Graco 3400, but my go-to machine is the Titan 3500. You'll never outgrow it, and it is capable of doing small jobs and even very large jobs.
As you start your new parking lot striping business, we can call this the 3-legged stool. You want to pick your business name like we talked about. You want to get the proper equipment and also get the proper training. Oftentimes, marketing takes several weeks, if not a couple months, to get traction to start getting these calls in. Once you start to receive the calls, you have to meet with the customers, provide an estimate, and then schedule the jobs. Sometimes this can take several weeks during this process. Sometimes these jobs are very large, tens of thousands of dollars. There's deposits that need to be put in place. There's also paint that needs to be ordered. So you can start doing your marketing right away as soon as you pick your business name. My favorite ways to market is through email marketing. Also, believe it or not, yard signs for parking lot striping has been highly effective for us to get new clients. In addition, you'll need a Google My Business listing. Also, you'll need some type of website. It does not have to be fancy. Create a Facebook business page for your new business and even do some Instagram work. Make sure that your business name is plastered all over each platform along with your service and the location that you're serving, and you will be successful. Please check out our website to get the proper training that you deserve, BillyDavidsonVIP.com. And don't forget that special promotional code for a limited time only, Billy499, and I hope to see you in the next video.